She loves it. She loves all the attention. She loves being pampered. She loves to be around us, just be with the pack. That's our Bonnie. She's so clingy. Sa mga nagsasabi na mabaho ang pusa, no. Bonnie smells like a baby. Ang bango-bango niyan. Lalo na yung may bandang tummy, yung pink tummy ni Bonnie. Bango-bango niyan. Di ba, Bonnie? Amoy baby talaga yan. Tsaka marunong yan siya mag-groom. Marunong yan siya mag-bath ng sarili niya. So, she don't smell. Yung smell niya is like a baby. Isus. Love na love yan ni Mama. Naku po, at alam niya yan. Kaya nag-iinarte. Isus. Sabi niya siguro, oh, that's too much kisses. Let me sleep. Leave me alone. She's so fluffy.
Bonnie?
So cute and fluffy, my Bonnie. She was too clingy. She will be wherever I go. Sa pagpapak ng things, sa pag-check-in, when I went to my computer, she followed me all the way to the basement. Tapos sinihigaan niya yung mga papers ko, yung notebook ko, so I have to put a towel kasi very cold yung glass. So I have to put a towel so she can lay down beside me, but she prefers to lay down right by the keyboard. So I have to push her aside, move the keyboard para magawa ko yung trabaho ko. That's how clingy she was. I think she feels it. She understands that she will be left with her dad that tried to train her. But can you train a cat? I don't think so. She has her own rules. She has her own business to deal with outside. She has her own schedule. So she's not happy about somebody training her. I think this is about cats. Cats train their youth the other way around. Unlike dogs. Dogs are trainable and they are very obedient. They can follow instruction. But for cats, no. They train their human. They are the boss of themselves. So far, that's how Bonnie is. But I love it. I love everything about her. She's such a brat. She is. But we love her. We love Bonnie. That's our Boningning.